Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 25th of June. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all those garden needs. And I got asked the question, can you still plant cucumbers? The answer is yes. As a matter of fact, I think this time of the year is a great time to plant cucumbers. The reason being that the cucumber beetle really takes effect this time of the year in June. And if you plant your cucumbers in June, they're going to germinate in the next couple of weeks. You'll get your cucumbers in late July and early August. And the second version or the second generation of the beetles will not have come out and had a chance to establish itself. So I think it's actually a good idea to be planting some of the cucurbits this time of the year. Temperature today up in the 80 to 85 degree range. Winds are calm. Even over the Cape and the Islands, it's pretty warm. Overnight tonight, there might be a shower late at night as a warm front approaches, temperatures in the 60s. Tomorrow, Friday, a blend of clouds and sun. We're up near 80, a little muggy. In the afternoon, there might be a shower or thunderstorm. That continues Friday night. Just a small chance, and I mean small. 90% of us won't see anything. Saturday, a pop-up shower can't be ruled out. Otherwise, a blend of clouds and sun. We're up near 80. And Sunday, mostly sunny skies. Great beach day, 80 to 85. Have a great morning, everybody.